Hello everyone, and now we're on Unit 6. I just want to show you something that you might not realize. When you go into your personal profile, you get to see all the different units. And let's say we're on Unit 6 and you want to know where it takes place or what you need to do. You can always click on each task. It's host a talk show, this task. And you can click on it and you get the assignment. You're hosting a radio talk show, and it tells you the location, Studio 1, and we're in the recording studios. Listen to the callers and find a way to politely end the call. Sit at the recording desk in Studio 1 to begin. So we've got all the information of what we need to do, so we can actually go across. The assignment 2 is edit an advertisement, also in the recording studios, an interview in the recording studios. Let's have a look here. This is a pair work assignment. Together with a fellow students, choose a character to interview for your show, and then close. So now we're going to go straight to the actual virtual world, but I hope this will help you to understand. And the other thing I'm sure you realize is we get to see when you've been in Englehaven and how much long you've spent on each of your visits, and this is available for you on your profile in Mook Island. So let's go now to the virtual world. So obviously we click on the location, and this location we want to have the recording studios, but I'm already here, and we go in. I think you'll get the feeling that you're in a real recording studios here. There's no one at the desk at the moment, but maybe when you come in, there'll be somebody. And we need to go, first of all, to Studio 1, because if you look at the task information, the talk show is at Studio 1. And then we go to Studio 2. So let's just go in. This is an assignment when you come, you see where it says Task 1, you sit here, you sit down here, you do the task. And you have to decide which is the correct answer. You're basically hosting a talk show, and what you need to do is answer questions for people coming into your program, and something happens, you have to finish the conversation. Remember, this unit we learned about speaking politely to people, and if you need to get out of a situation, how to excuse yourself. Now we come into Unit Studio 2. In Studio 2, you become editors. And we're making here advertisements for Englehaven. And you have to match the words with the picture and with the sound effects. And when you do that, you should get really nice advertisements that we can use in our town in Englehaven. So let's go out. Good that it says exits on the doors. And then the next assignment, there are two possibilities. You can do it in Studio 3 or Studio 4. They're the same. And let's have a look at the assignment beforehand. It's assignment number 3. It's a pair work exercise. Together with a fellow student, sit at a desk. Choose a character to interview for your show. One of you play the interviewer and will interview the other, who will play the chosen character. So let's say you want to, interview Elvis, for example. Then one of you will play the part of Elvis. I don't think we have that option. But if we did, you could do that. And you both get cards, cue cards to help you. We have two possible places here, so two pairs can do this at the same time. Then we move on to our teacher unit, role play. It's a bit different. In this case, we have 3 students being interviewed at a time. Each one sits at a different chair. You can see one chair is as if you come from India, United States or United Kingdom, and you are going to be being interviewed as if you're from these countries. We'll be discussing different areas of about health, education, and finance in these countries. You'll get information each time to help you, and it's a lot more fun than other exercises. We've got all these funny interchanges, and I think you'll enjoy doing this. And then let's have a look what we need to do next. As usual, 5 is the song of the week, and we have a quiz in the library. This time we're working on proverbs, which we haven't worked on before, and we have other games in the library, so look out for the new games, as well as the ATM machines to get more money. And don't worry, you'll be spending your money very soon, so get as much as you can. So I think that's all for this week. Just to remind you, you only come in here and do these exercises once you've done stages 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the virtual world, in the campus site, and then you come here to practice your English. So I wish you all a very good week in our recording studios.